This is Work Together 11.5 on page 329 in your textbook and 267 in your workbook. They are going to teach us how to deal with a correcting entry when you put an accounts receivable customer account or accounts payable customer account into the wrong account. So let's say I owed ABC Company $10 when I was really supposed to put XYZ Company. I just put it in the wrong company account. Accounts payable is still correct because it's still the same amount, and anything I put in the general ledger accounts is still the same amount. It's just the subsidiary accounts, it's charged to the wrong one. So they're going to show you how to do the correcting entry for that. It tells us to use page 6 of the General Journal, and it says on June 3rd, you discovered that a sale on account to Howell Clinic May 25th for sales slip 346 was incorrectly charged to the account for Housley Dance Studio for $414.99. So what we have to do is take it out of Housley Dance Studio and put it into Howell Clinic. And it was a sale on account, meaning they owe us money, so that would be accounts receivable. So accounts receivable, in order to put it in there, would be to debit. So I need to debit Howell Clinic. I don't need to do anything with the accounts receivable account itself because it didn't change. It has the right amount in it. It's just the specifically who is the one is the part that is wrong. So what was the date? This was the 3rd. And since this is a partial general journal, we assume there's June up above there. And where do I take it out of? I'm going to take it out of Housley Dance Studio, and it was for $414.99. Document, probably memo 57. Then they ask us in step 2 to post this to the accounts receivable ledger. So I need to find down below the Howell Clinic accounts receivable ledger, and this is on June 3rd, so June 3rd, 2012. I'm going to debit $414.99. It's from General Journal, page 6. Accounts receivable debit balance now of $414.99. And customer number 160 needs to go up here in the post-reference column in the General Journal. The next one is Housley Dance Studio for a credit of the same amount. So I'm going to go down to the Housley Dance Studio, June 3rd. This is for General Journal, so G6. And this is going to be credit for $14.99, which brings this, because these are opposite, debit and credit, brings us to a zero balance. Account number 170 goes back up on top to the post-reference column on the General Journal. That's all there is to it. Now you're ready for On Your Own, 11.5.